Hey guys, just a quick video on restoring some headlights. We did Mother's aluminum mag polish last time on the car. This time I'm gonna try Chemical Guys headlight restoration. This headlight is not horrible, but it is kind of foggy on the front, and we're gonna give it a try, see what happens. So now it's just telling me to just go in a circular motion until everything comes off. I mean, heck, that actually worked pretty good. That was not that clear. I can see my reflection in it. All right, we're gonna work on this headlight again. It says you can repeat the process several times. So just wanted to get some more compound on there. You saw that. There wasn't a reflection in it before. That's all right. All right, if you like the video, you know, Chemical Guys, they don't sponsor me. I paid for this product, but I wanted to try it out. So you got a couple different, this seems to work pretty good. What I like about it is it has UV block in it. So you're not necessarily having to clear it, anything like that. But yeah, if you liked the video, if it helped you out, please like, subscribe, and check out more down the road. Thank you. God bless.